Welcome to the Hindu editorial short and dictation. Heading is moving resolutely toward the post pandemic future. Ready? Start. A moment comes but rarely in history when a nation seizes control of its destiny, when a new Atmanirbhar era begins, and when the people of a nation move forward with confidence. It is fitting that this moment has come during the global novel coronavirus pandemic, even as the world is reeling from the impact of the pandemic. India is recovering with fresh energy and making bold plans for the future. The pandemic began separating around the world just a few months ago, yet it has plunged the global economy into its deepest economic contraction since the Great Depression of the 1930s. Trillions of dollars of economic output have been wiped out. Most countries will take years to return to pre coronavirus levels, and billions of people are confronting a shrunken future. Calibrated measures. India has avoided this fate. The government of Prime Minister Narendra Modi has undertaken a series of decisive calibrated actions which include implementing a rapid lockdown to save lives, providing abundant relief to protect livelihoods, and simultaneously positioning the economy for strong revival through the Atmanirbhar Bharat policy package. On March 24, 2020, Mr. Modi announced a historic nationwide lockdown that was eventually lifted on June 1. The national lockdown dramatically damped the disease exponential growth rate and gave the country time to prepare. Without a lockdown, the cases of coronavirus would today be several times higher than now. More importantly, coronavirus fatalities would have been even higher since the case fatality rate has declined dramatically in the past few months. Lockdown was essential. A terrible human tragedy was swiftly and decisively averted. During the lockdown, the nation get ready to face the pandemic. Every citizen learned the value of masks and mask wearing, social distancing, and hands washing. Hospital beds, intensive care units, ventilators, oxygen cylinders, personal protective equipment kits, and N95 masks were procured in vast quantities and supplied to every district. COVID 19 care and quarantine centers were established in every block. Testing capacity increased from thousands per day to almost a million per day. Full stop. Testing labs are now available in 80-90% of all districts. Extraordinary medical advances have also happened in the past few months. Several drugs have proven to the efficacious. Treatment protocols are now widely available, and many vaccine candidates are now in the final stages of testing. The national lockdown has thus saved lakhs of lives, along with livelihoods have also been saved through bold action. Soon after the lockdown was announced, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, a massive relief package for the needy. Through this program, around 80 crore fellow citizens are being provided rations through the public distribution system. This has saved them money and put cash in their pockets. Over 20 crore Jan Dhan women account holders have received 30,654 crore directly into their bank accounts. Around 2.3 crore construction workers have got rupees 4,313 crore, while 2.8 crore beneficiaries in the National Social Assistance Program have received rupees 2,815 crores. Full stop.